issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Clark County, northern Greene County, northeastern Montgomery County, southeastern Miami County, until 12:15 a.m. At 11:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Fairborn, moving southeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Huber Heights, Fairborn, Vandalia, New Carlisle, Yellow Springs, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, Cedarville, Enon, Wilberforce, Brown, Donaldsville, Clifton, Green Meadows, Medway, Springfield Municipal Airport, Fontaine, Houston, Holiday Valley, John Bryan State Park and Snyderville. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 36 and 51. I-75 in Ohio near mile marker 63.